3 minus 3 equals 0, and again, 3 minus 3 equals 0, in the end, 0 multiplied by 0 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations is known by the short acronym called the PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, I stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. So, if an expression contains both operations, we move from left to right, performing whichever operation appears first. The same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3. In this expression, there are 2 subtractions, and 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, in this expression, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first. 3 times 3 equals 9, and the expression becomes 3 minus 9 minus 3. Now, in this expression, there are 2 subtractions, and because subtractions have equal priority, we move from left to right, and perform the subtractions in order. 3 minus 9 equals negative 6, and in the end, negative 6 minus 3 equals negative 9, which is our correct final answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.